Section 1. Overview. In this section, you will learn what a linear regression model is, why it is an important tool for decision scientists, and how it is being used in different industries to make smarter decisions and create better business outcomes. At the end of the section, we'll do a quick summary of what we have learned. What is linear regression model? Linear regression model is a type of statistical model commonly used to predict or explain the magnitude of the continuous dependent variable with predictors. Predict means we'll use the model in the future to score the new data and get the predicted dependent variable score for each record. The predicted score can be used to rank all the individual records so that we can treat them differently. Explain means we are trying to explain or quantify the impact of some business actions on customer behaviors, etc. The goal is to gain insights on the degree of impact, so that business can decide on whether it is worthwhile to continue the efforts or not. How do we define continuous dependent variable and predictors? A dependent variable is an outcome variable that we are interested in predicting or explaining through other known input variables. If the outcome variable can take continuous values, it is called continuous dependent variable. Here are two examples for continuous dependent variable. 1. Total purchase amount in a shopping trip. 2. Donation amount to a non-profit organization. Predictors are variables that can be used to explain or predict a dependent variable. Predictors are also known as independent variables. Here are two examples of predictors that we could use for the above two examples of continuous dependent variable. To predict the total purchase amount in a shopping trip, we can use the following predictors: past purchase amount, income level, household information, etc. To predict the donation amount to a non-profit organization, we can use the donor's past donation amount, income, gender, etc. You might wonder why linear regression model is important. Because linear regression models has been widely used in all industries to help companies achieve their business goals. Here are some of the key benefits for using linear regression models. Improve sales. For example, you can use the model to target prospects with higher spending amount to increase sales volume. Improve forecasting for resource optimization. For example, you can use the model to forecast call volumes for call centers, so that the business can proactively adjust their resource needs. Optimize media mix. Linear model can be used to determine the effectiveness of different marketing spends and tactics on sales, so that the business can make informed decisions on right level of spend for each different medium or tactics, and improve return on investment. In the next few slides, we'll provide some examples of how the linear regression model is being used to help companies improve business results. Example number 1. Retail companies use revenue or margin model to estimate a customer's value. Linear regression modeling approach is commonly used to develop revenue or margin model. What are the key benefits of using revenue or margin model? Revenue or margin model can be used to identify high-value customers. Targeting high-value customers with new product or other offers will significantly improve revenue or profit. Example number 2. Not-for-profit organizations use donation amount model along with response model to maximize net returns. Linear regression modeling approach is used to develop donation amount model. Targeting prospects who are more responsive and will donate more can significantly improve overall net returns for marketing campaigns. Example number 3. Banks use loss severity models to estimate potential dollar loss if a customer were to default on the bank's loan. Linear regression modeling approach is used to develop loss severity models. Accurate assessment of potential loss amount can help banks reduce loss. Here are some example industries that has been using linear regression models to help them make better decisions. Here is a quick summary of what we have learned in this section. Linear regression model is a very commonly used tool to predict or explain the magnitude of dependent variable with predictors. Linear regression models have been used to help companies make smarter decisions to improve their business outcomes. Common application of linear regression models include customer acquisition, customer retention and management, marketing mix optimization. This is the end of the section.